Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into older Macs. If you're clinging to a MacBook Air from 2017, a MacBook Pro from 2015, or even an iMac from 2016, you might be feeling the slow creep of age. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is swapping out that old, sluggish drive for a new SSD. Today, we're looking at the Fanxiang 512GB PCI Gen 3 NVMe internal solid-state drive, a potential game-changer for these vintage Apple machines. Fanxiang promises some serious speed improvements, claiming read speeds up to 3,500 megabytes s and write speeds up to 2,600 megabytes s. That's a significant jump from the original drives in many of these Macs, and in real-world use, it translates to snappier boot times, faster application loading, and a generally more responsive system. Think less time staring at the spinning beach ball and more time actually getting things done. This SSD is specifically designed for compatibility with a range of older Macs, including MacBook Air models from 2013 to 2015 and 2017, MacBook Pro models from 2013 to 2016, the Mac Mini 2014, Mac Pro 2013, and iMacs from 2012 to 2018. It's crucial to double-check compatibility with your specific model before purchasing, but the wide range of supported devices is definitely a plus. Beyond just speed, the Fanxiang SSD boasts impressive performance and reliability. It utilizes a Gen 3x4 NVMe controller and 3D TLC NAND flash memory, components known for their speed and durability. Fanxiang also emphasizes rigorous testing to ensure data, transmission stability, and a long lifespan. They back this up with a 5-year service or a 320 TBW terabytes written endurance rating, which provides peace of mind. Plus, they offer lifetime technical support, which is always a welcome addition. For anyone looking to extend the life of their older Mac and improve its performance without breaking the bank, the Fanxiang 512GB NVMe SSD is definitely worth considering. It's a relatively simple upgrade that can make a world of difference, bringing a noticeable speed boost and a renewed sense of responsiveness to these still capable machines.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.